Welcome back to the Jestic Test Kitchen. Today we're going to make a pistachio whipped cream using the Vita-Prep 3 and the aerated container. Now this container is slightly different. There's no sharp edges in there. It's designed to put volume into the products you put in there. So we're going to start with putting in 300 millilitres of cream. Now we're going to add the pistachio. Just any pistachio syrup will do. And we're going to start on a low setting for a few seconds, and then gradually bring that up. So after about 20 seconds, you can see there the vortex. And now we have a beautiful pistachio cream. And there we are. Beautiful pistachio cream. Obviously you can use any syrup you want to flavour the cream however you would like. If you would like more information about the Vita-Prep 3 and the aerated jug, get in contact with us on info@jestic.co.uk.